Hello everyone, my name is Mok Jarabato and I'm in grade 6. As a proud Thai student, I'm lucky to attend a bilingual school where I learn Thai and English. I am excited to share why learning a second language is important to me and why you should consider it. Growing up in Thailand, Thai is my first language, but when I started learning English, I realized how powerful it is to know more than one language. Being able to speak both Thai and English has opened so many doors for me. It allows me to connect with people from different cultures, whether they are Thai or from other parts of the world. For example, I can welcome tourists in English and share our beautiful culture with them. It is like having a special tool that helps me communicate and build friendships. Learning English has also made me a better student. I understand more subjects like science and math because many resources are in English. This gives me an advantage because I can explore new ideas and learn things others might miss. Knowing both Thai and English makes learning more exciting and rewarding. But the good things do not stop at school. Knowing a second language gives me more opportunity in life. When I travel, I can speak with locals and learn from them. If I meet someone from another country, I can use English to talk to them and make new friends. Learning a second language makes the world feel smaller, more connected, and full of possibility. So, what should you think about learning a second language? Because it's more than just learning words. It's about making connection, gaining new experiences, and unlocking opportunities that can shape your future. It helps us grow, understand others better, and make the world a better place. Thank you for listening.